Here's the thermostat right next to the bed. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys how to use it. There's a zone button, but we don't actually have to worry about that for this camper. And there's the system button. If you push the system button right now, it was on cool. Now it's switching to heat, off, cool again, because it's a warm day today. And we're just gonna switch the mode to cool high. And then there's low, auto. And you just have to adjust the temperatures. In the heat setting, let's go back to system to do the heat. Let's see. It's taking a few seconds. Here's heat. You can actually push the mode button for heat gas, which will only work, which works on the propane if you're dry camping. Or you can go heat electric. If you're plugged into shore power, this is a great way to save on propane use, which I would recommend, and off. When the air conditioner is on, let's turn it on right now. System, let's go over to cool. It is actually ducted right above. So you'll see these ducts here, which you can open or close, as well as the big machine over here, which has a lot of air. If you'd like for the air to be moving through the ducts more, all you have to do is close that and you'll get more airflow through the ducts. Okay. The heat system actually comes out this way, and we have the heat coming out that way when we have the heater on. But sometimes when we're plugged into shore power, I find that the fireplace is actually really warm and enough to heat the whole camper.